Welcome back. It's time to start Unit 3, Debating Controversial Issues, Part 1. You've probably witnessed a heated argument between two people, either in real life or on social media like Facebook or Twitter. People often become angry and lose sight of the real issue. Before long, one person may resort to using personal insults, and the conversation becomes quite ugly. One reason why people become emotional sometimes during arguments is they are very passionate about the topic. Passion is fine as long as the argument doesn't turn into attacks against the person who disagrees. One aspect of this course is learning to practice logical argument by maintaining a respectful tone and remaining focused on the issue while using credible evidence to support opinions. This week, you and your classmates will debate Course Topic 1 in the Unit 3 discussion board. Online class debates can be an effective method for practicing logical argument because students have the opportunity to think and reflect on how to respond in a civil manner to a classmate with whom they disagree. A class debate can help all students see a controversial issue from multiple perspectives. It's very possible that some students may actually change their opinions during the debate when they've discovered a new way of thinking about the topic. Let's talk about the Unit 2 individual project from last week and how it influences the Unit 3 discussion board debate this week. The Unit 2 individual project provided the foundation for your Unit 3 debate. In it, you had the chance to think about your opinion and why you had that opinion. You've also had the chance to consider why someone might have a different opinion. Before you begin work on the discussion board assignment, be sure to review your instructor's feedback, as he or she may have suggestions on how to strengthen your argument, and apply that feedback as you craft your main post and replies to your peers. Let's close with some final thoughts on the class debate. Keep an open mind to new ways of thinking about this topic, and take note of strong points made by your classmates. If you decide to write your research paper on Course Topic 1, then the Unit 3 discussion board will be a great resource when you begin thinking about how to structure your research paper. Good luck and have fun!